Hi, friends! Today, we're going to learn animals together! Are you ready? Let's go! This is a dog. The dog says, "Woof, woof!" Can you bark like a dog? Say it with me. Woof, woof! Look! It's a cat! The cat says, "Meow, meow!" Let's say it together. Meow, meow! So cute! Wow! A big elephant! Elephants have long trunks. They say, "Brrr!" Can you pretend to be an elephant? Brrr! This is a cow. The cow says, "Moo, moo!" Let's all moo together. This is a chicken. The chicken says, "Cluck, cluck, cluck!" Say it with me. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Great job. Here comes a lion. The lion says, "Roar!" Let's hear your lion voice. Roar! That was loud. This is a horse. The horse says, "Neigh!" Can you gallop like a horse? Neigh! Here's a penguin. They live in the snow and go waddle, waddle. Can you waddle like a penguin? This is a frog. The frog says, "Ribbit, ribbit, jump like a frog with me. Ribbit, ribbit." Yay! This is a pig. A pig says, "Oink, oink." Can you say oink, oink? Good job. Here's a fish. Fish don't make loud sounds, but they go blub, blub underwater. Can you say blub, blub? Swim, swim. Great swimming. Look, it's a goat. A goat says, "Mama." Let's say it together. Nice work. Here comes an alligator. Alligators snap their jaws. They go snap, snap. Snap your hands like this. Snap, snap. Awesome. Flying in the sky is a bird. Birds say, "Tweet, tweet." Let's tweet like a bird. Tweet, tweet. Beautiful. This is a rabbit. Rabbits don't make big sounds, but they go sniff, sniff and hop, hop. Let's hop and sniff like a rabbit. Hop, hop, sniff, sniff. Wow, a tiger. A tiger says, "Roar." Can you roar like a tiger? So brave. Quack, quack. It's a duck. Ducks say, "Quack, quack." Let's all say quack, quack. You sound just like a duck. This is a sheep. A sheep says, "Baba." Say it with me. Baba, brilliant. And here's a silly monkey. Monkeys say, "Ooh, ooh, ah, ah." Let's all be monkeys. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. That was so much fun. Yay! You did amazing today. Let's remember the animals we saw. Dog, cat, elephant, cow, chicken, lion, horse, penguin, and frog. Can you name your favorite? Thanks for learning with me today, friends. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.